So far, or rather, we are fine with the school, and we expect that okay, the kids will try to get their best behavior out in terms of studies and other curricular activities. So, very little academic year has passed. Whatever we have observed so far, they have done as they used to do so far. Nothing great or below. They are doing fine. The status quo has maintained. Our expectation is that they do little better than what they have, and the idea is to understand what the teachers would be doing over and beyond to help kids come up with their personalities. That is all. Is my expectation.
I am a teacher and a parent, so I'm very satisfied with my children's performances because I know them heart from inner core. I know how much they study at home and how much they focus in the class. I've seen them in and out of school. So the teachers' efforts and individualized plan which they've given us, we will work on that, and we as a mother and teachers will work towards it.
Hello, this is Samruddhi's parent, and school is doing absolutely great, and the teaching staffs are very much supportive. My kid is doing well, not only study but also in extracurricular activities, and they have a unique style of teaching, and we are all from the beginning with the school, the kind of environment, the kind of growing atmosphere. So it's been one of the top school in Bangalore, I would say, and I would encourage people join in and the school and see how they see and evaluate how they are doing in all the aspect of kids' development, not only in study, mental growth, and their balance. How do they maintain balance, everything?
Hi, I've got two girls here studying in 1st grade and 6th grade. This is my first year in TGSP. Loving the school, the approach they have towards the kids and parents is really good. Kids are very happy, which makes us very happy. So keep up the good work. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, this is Anju here, and his Avik's mom. Yes, he's in class 6, and my younger son is there, who's not right now here available, Abhik here. So yes, I'm here presently standing here in TGSB, and this is the best school which we have found it right now, and really we feel great to have here with and have a safe hand of all the teachers, all the staff's members here. I really feel good. Like when they come and they go to school, and when they come back to home, they really feel good because the way they treat. Actually, I think that is the one most important thing for every kid and for everybody, I think. And the treatment is really like, they feel like a home. So that's the best thing which we can see. And yes, the study-wise, and particularly for him, he's a sports person, and we know there would be the sports growth. Here the principal who always encourage sports. So she told yes, this would be definitely the good right place for moving ahead with this. So we can see a lot of improvement in him, and his shyness. He was really shy little bit, so now he's getting open. So it's a good thing to see him that particular. You can see the good thing into him also, as well as yes, being a sports person. Now he's going to be getting the black belt now, karate, and apart from that, like in cricket, he's also growing a lot. Yes, we just thinking, let's hope for this. He can get some good national awards for this school and represent school and represent this India. Thank you so much.